This episode is brought to you by Fox One. Watch all 104 matches of the FIFA World Cup live in 4K for just $19.99 a month with 3 days free. Build your own multi-view, choose up to 3 streams, and follow player spotlights. Stay on top of every moment with live stats, highlights, and instant replays. The FIFA World Cup, streaming live on Fox One. Offers are subject to change. See fox.com for complete terms and conditions.
Listen, all you New Yorkers. Excuse me, taxi.
Okay, man, we're looking around.
This is the 77 WABC minicast.
Sunday morning. Well, Jay Jackson, welcome back to the Cats Roundtable. I really enjoyed talking to you last time. And you know what really impressed me? You run a great company, and I understand you're going to be going on a New York Stock Exchange soon and having a big presentation. But You know what impressed me? That you told me that after I take, I guess, a medical test or whatever, that you can evaluate within 1 year, 2 years, 3 years of how long I'm going to live. I'm not sure I want to know.
I know. Hey, I get it. And what's fascinating about that is, first of all, thank you. And we look forward to having you down at the New York Stock Exchange to see us when we do our Investor Day in July. What's amazing about this data is that this data can be incredibly helpful to people so that they better understand how to allocate while they're in retirement. Number one fear of everyone out there when they retire is running out of money. That idea of leaving money in the mattress, it still exists.
And now, just to remind all our listeners what we talked about last time, you have a unique new company.
Yes.
Where you know, if I'm 65 years old, oh, Jesus Christ, I hate to tell you, I'm 77.
Oh, man.
Now, if I have a $10 million policy,
right,
and you say, well, you don't like any of your heirs, you don't like anybody that you have to give that money to, I'll give you X.
Right.
If you sell me the policy, and that way you have that money to spend on your life and yourself and having a great time instead of leaving it to people you don't like.
Oh, my goodness. Well, hopefully. Is that the right way to say it? It's just a part of it. I think what's interesting is that a lot of people want to leave it to the people that they like and they don't like. But the challenge with this is that 90% of the time, people might consider leaving that money to their heirs, but instead they look at their life insurance policy as an expense. They don't realize that it's equity. They don't realize, just like their home, they have real value in it. So you have a $10 million life insurance policy. That policy in today's value may be worth as much as $2, $3, $4 million.
So in other words, at the age of 77, I might get $2, $3, $4 million.
Right.
And spend it on yachts.
Right.
On whatever.
Or invested.
On vacations.
Invested in Abacus.
Forget about it.
That's not a bad place to be.
I want to have a good time.
Yeah, that's right. You have a good time with it. You can invest it. You can put that money to work for yourself.
Now, do you actually... Would you tell me how long I have?
Then that's what we're going to do.
Or you keep it a secret?
Well, the most reasons why
if you keep it a secret...
No, I tell you.
I might want you to keep a secret.
No, well, here's the thing. I want you to know, and you know why? Because that data is the most valuable data you can possibly have. It can help improve your outcomes in your policy, but also your financial plan. Remember...
And maybe I'll go to the doctor more often.
Well, hopefully, right? I think that some people would have the funds to go to the doctor more often. I think that the way people view their lifespan seems to be negative, right? They're like, gosh, I've got this $10 million policy. The issue is, I don't know when I'm going to get paid on it. Now we can help you better understand whether you sell it to us or whether you keep it. You might be in it for, 3 years or 7 years.
So your company is an insurance type company, Abacus on the New York Stock Exchange, where you make the spread about your predictions on how long the person is going to live versus your investment.
Yeah, we're actually an investment company, but what we do is that those predictions are based on real data that goes back over 20 years. I give you that data and you apply it not just to insurance, but you apply it to your entire financial plan. Quick example. If you have two people, right, 65, getting ready to retire, they get the exact same financial plan. But if one has chronic disease, their financial plan should look much, much different. What we've now shown is that we can double your retirement income just by you better understanding how long you're going to be in retirement. That's massive.
And you've done very well. Your company's doing very well. I look at it, and I bought a few shares to disclose everybody.
Right.
I bought, that way we have hands above the table on WABC. I bought a few shares. So you make the money, the differential between your prediction and what your person is going to.
Yeah, we charge fees on asset management, meaning we run assets based upon this model and helping people better understand how long they're going to be in retirement. And then in addition to that, we actually own that policy. We buy that policy, we take the risk, we pay the future premiums, and then ultimately we would collect the claim at some point in the future.
I understand. Well, Jay Jackson, I look forward to you. When you come back to New York, I look forward to be down in New York Stock Exchange with you and ring the bell. And
absolutely.
And God bless you. God bless America.
Thank you. God bless you.